Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making decisive, low-risk changes that pay off fast. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Enable Use small taskbar buttons and auto-hide to free vertical space. Next, lock the taskbar so accidental moves stop. Then right-click and unpin items you no longer use. This reduces noise immediately. Also open Taskbar Corner Overflow and toggle off icons you rarely need. Once done, the taskbar feels cleaner, responds faster visually, and gives you room for the changes that follow. Now you tackle behavior and layout to match how you work. Unlock the taskbar and drag it to left, right, top, or keep bottom depending on which orientation speeds your app switching. Make sure icons remain visible after moving. Then set Combine Taskbar buttons to never combine if you want distinct windows, or always combine to save space. Choose what helps you find apps faster. Finally, if you use more than one monitor, open Multiple Displays options and decide whether to show the taskbar on every screen or only the main one. That prevents focus loss. Finish with advanced tweaks that refine the experience. If you want exact icon spacing or centered icons, consider a small registry change or a trusted utility, but back up first. Disable Cortana or the search box and hide the people icon if notifications distract you. Configure virtual desktops so open apps appear where you expect them. If anything breaks, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. If problems persist, run sfc/scanno to repair system files. That one troubleshooting step restores icons and tooltips in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.